This is a brand new 2014 Toyota Tundra. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.7-liter V8, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, speed-sensitive volume controls, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a spray-on bed liner, a multi-function display, cruise control, a CD player, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, steering wheel mounted controls, front and rear reading lights, and an auxiliary power outlet. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Yoakum Toyota is conveniently located at 1199 East Bart Coons in Shreveport. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.